with me, Macau me, Macau me, baby. Fill me up, take me down, show me around, Macau me, me and Macau, go all around, look it up and down, turn the corner, Macau me, baby. Fill me up, take me down, show me around, Macau me. Me and Macau, go all around, look it up and down, turn the corner, Macau me, baby. Fill me up, take me down, show me around, Macau me.
Okay, so this is called Rua de Esperança. There's actually a temple up here too. But we're going to be walking down this street and we'll kind of give you an idea what it looks like. Right at the base there's like kind of a cool little thing in here too. Okay, and I'll explain that over there too as well. So stay tuned. I know you're waiting for it. Okay, Macau. I know y'all love Macau because the whole channel is all centered around Macau and that's the bulk of all my videos. This one is Esperança Lane, kind of ironic. It's like waiting. So you've been waiting for a new Macau video? Here it is, Esperança Lane. So I'll put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. We're definitely on the Macau side. And but anyways, I know what you really want to do is you want to feel as if you were there yourself. So let's show you the lyrics. You can see that now. And then we're going to get right into it with a walk and talk. And we're going to go up into Esperança Lane. All right, let's do it, Macau. Okay, so this is going to be our street. Let me kind of give you a little background. There's a bus right there. And then right over here is a beautiful park right here. So that whole thing is a park. And we're going to be going up the street. Before we do, this is kind of a nice little Macau style cafe right here. And then this is that temple right there, so you can see up above it. See, I think it's it's nice. Okay, so we're gonna go up, and then we're going to follow our street. There's a Toff Cafe on the other side. So we'll see what we can see all around here. Share with you some of the businesses and things too. Okay. So we're gonna keep on going up, but before we do, let's kind of give you an idea of all the stuff that's around here. Okay, so that's one block. Oh, the guy kind of ran across and made me feel anxious to get across myself. This Vietnamese restaurant right here. I'm gonna keep on walking up. Nice balconies. So Esperança kind of goes uphill a little bit, and then we're going to hit these stairs, and then we're going to be walking into an area that feels a little bit different, but it has the same name. But this particular stretch, there's this clothing shop, hair salon. Okay. I think this one is a Bear Art Family Beauty Salon. There's a shit right there. Esperança. So let's try to navigate this way. There we go. Let's try to get across. We'll just go across like this. And we're just gonna go up for now. And then I'll turn around in a moment and then we can see what it looks like down there. Nice little plaza right here, no cars. Now you can see, except for the big bus, but that would be our street there. The bus is gonna block it. It's all right, we'll just keep on moving. Delightful treats. Okay. That's kind of interesting. We have that sketch right there. Oh, okay. So this is all part of this Esperança. Let's look up a little bit, see what's going on up there. Okay. Okay. And we got a little cool artwork right there as well. Team A repair shop. Okay, so let's go across. Now we're gonna get a good feel for this side as well. Then way up on the hill you can see a Gia Hill. You see the lighthouse. So there's actually a lighthouse way up on top of the hill, overlooks the whole city. And we basically walked down this way. And now we're going to continue to walk down this way. It still says Rua da Esperança right there. That's St. Michael's Cemetery right there. So we will walk down that way a little bit. Okay. Got some nice businesses in here. This little triangle is like all these kind of cool looking businesses, but I don't see them on this side, or the shops are closed at the moment. But the other side I'll see quite a few. We'll go around the corner real quick and just kind of highlight those. There's like a Japanese place and some interesting stuff. Loa's Life. Okay. Nature Republic. This is like kind of a shopping mall chain. We'll keep on moving down. Tea, lemon tea, toast. And then we're gonna go around the corner and capture it because it's kind of pretty. There we go. And then we're gonna keep on going all the way down that way as well. So that's gonna be where the end is gonna be. Then we got some more shops down on this side as well. So there's a Japanese place. Hello. Peace. We got T-Wong. Then we also got this one, Mr. Collection as well. So kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna go just a little bit further, and then we'll come to the end of the video. So this is all Esperança, and the cemetery is right there. So this tree is kind of cool looking. And St. Michael's is right to the right, so I think I'm just gonna poke the camera over there real quick. You can kind of see. It's not all off of that though. Here we come to the end. So, okay. So that was a little bit of Macau. That was Esperança. Now we're right into all the busyness again. You can see St. Michael's Cathedral right over there as well. We kind of go this way. And that was our street. Straight down that way. So we'll end the video.
Envelop me, vibe me, Macau me, Macau me, baby. Fill me up.